Now the first step is to press Windows plus I on the keyboard. When you press Windows plus I, it will open Windows settings. Once this is open, go to time and language over here. Go to time and language and then go to date and time and make sure these options are on. Especially this show time and date in the system tree. If this is off, you can turn this on and then you can check. Next step is to restart Windows Explorer. To restart Windows Explorer, you can press Ctrl Shift and Escape key on the keyboard. Ctrl Shift and Escape key on the keyboard. This will open Taskbar. Once the Taskbar is open, you can go to Windows Explorer. Find Windows Explorer over here. It may be somewhere at the very top. Windows Explorer. So here you can see Windows Explorer. You can make a right click and then click on restart. And once this is done, you can check. Still not working, update Windows 11. Again, you have to press Windows plus I on the keyboard. This will open Windows settings. Go to Windows Update. And if you see update, check for update and update everything. Once updated, you can press Ctrl Alt Delete on the keyboard. We have pressed the Ctrl Alt and Delete. Ctrl Alt and Delete on the keyboard, and then you can restart your PC after updating Windows. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Again, press Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard. This will open Taskbar. Click on Run a new task and put a check on the box which says create this task with administrative privileges, and then type in CMD over here and then click on OK. This will open command prompt. Now you can run the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. In my case, the scan is already done. Once the scan is complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once this is done, again you have to press Ctrl Alt Delete. Once the scan is complete, press Ctrl Alt Delete on the keyboard and then restart the PC from the lock screen. Next step is to press Ctrl Shift Delete once again. Ctrl Shift Escape, not delete. And then this time click on Run New Task and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. And then type in PowerShell and then put a check on create the task with administrative privileges. Click on OK. This will open Windows PowerShell. Now you can copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Let the process complete. Now this process will take some time. It will re-register all Microsoft application. So let the process complete. It will re-register. Now once it is complete, you will see everything red. Once this is complete, then you can check. During this, if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once done, you can check. If that does not work, you can copy this command and then again press Ctrl Shift Escape on the keyboard and then click on Run New Task and then type in PowerShell, put a check over here and then click on OK, and then you can run the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings. For this, you can again press Windows plus I on the keyboard, which will open Windows. Now, Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Over here, you can see Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will preserve. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to you have to update. You can use media creation tool. Now for this, you can press Windows plus R on the keyboard. When you press it, it will open this run box, and in the run box you can just copy this. Sorry. Yeah. In the run box, you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Paste it over here, and then that is Microsoft-Edge, and then there is a quotation. Copy as it is. It is provided in the video description. Click on OK. This will open Microsoft Edge. Once it is open, you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Yeah, this command. And then you can open this This will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept over here. Run the exe file. Then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. You can set it. Select ISO file over here. Click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, you can click on finish over here. Now once finished, you let this close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can restart your computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the taskbar icon and everything working over here. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.